Assalamualaikum. My name is Ifra and I am from UKGH. Today I am going to read a poem about my mummy. Cook and clean, wash and fold. Keep me warm when I am cold. Drive me here, drive me there. Mom, you sure are everywhere. School and sports, we have so much fun. And you are there our day when our day is done. Tuck me into bed so tight. That is when we say good night. Jazakallah khairan.